Are you looking to use Mailchimp for creating educational campaigns? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up engaging campaigns that teach and inform your audience while also helping you grow your email list. Stick around because I'll also share how you can get started with Mailchimp for completely free, plus some exclusive bonuses that you don't want to miss. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your Mailchimp account. If you haven't already, you can get started with their free plan, which offers a ton of features that are perfect for educational campaigns. With Mailchimp, you can start crafting your emails without breaking the bank, and with our exclusive bonuses linked below, you'll get an extended free trial, so keep watching. Once your account is set up, the next thing you should focus on is defining your audience. Educational campaigns need to reach the right people, so make sure you segment your audience effectively. Mailchimp makes this super simple by allowing you to create segments based on interests, demographics, or previous interactions. This ensures you're delivering the right content to the right people every time. The third thing you'll need to do is create an engaging campaign. You can start by choosing a campaign type, but for educational purposes, I recommend using an automated email series. This lets you deliver educational content over time, helping to build trust and nurture relationships. When setting up an automated series, you can decide on triggers, like when someone subscribes or clicks on a link, so you can keep them engaged at the right moments. Next, let's talk about creating your content. When it comes to educational campaigns, content is key. Mailchimp makes it easy to add content blocks to your emails, allowing you to structure your educational material in an appealing way. You can add text, images, videos, and even interactive elements. Just make sure your content is clear and valuable. Your goal is to educate, not overwhelm. The fifth thing to consider is personalization. Personalizing your emails is a great way to make your educational content feel more relevant to each recipient. With Mailchimp, you can add merge tags to your emails, like the recipient's name or details about their interests, making the emails feel more personalized and increasing engagement. The sixth thing you'll need to keep in mind is testing and optimization. Mailchimp offers A/B testing, so you can try out different subject lines, content, and sending times to see what resonates best with your audience. This way, you can optimize your educational campaigns to get the best results possible. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to remind you that you can use Mailchimp for completely free through the first link below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you can get a longer free trial to test out all the advanced features you'll need to create truly engaging educational campaigns. So to recap, by setting up your account, defining your audience, creating automated series, adding engaging content, personalizing emails, and optimizing your campaigns, you can effectively use Mailchimp for creating educational campaigns that really connect with your audience. Don't forget to check the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial and bonuses.